Hello friends, hope you're doing great. As you know, we are in Nepal for Annapurna circuit track. We started the track with a puja and we have reached to Jagat from Tamil and now tracking to Dharapani. The village was well maintained. There are a number of guest houses. Each house was having number of flower plants. We also enjoy the scenic view of this village. During this track, we moved from Jagat to Chamje, from Chamje to Tal, and finally from Tal to Dharapani.
How are you feeling, Angie? Vivek? Bhavna ji, how are your bhavnas now? Hey Amanda, how's trek going?
There were a number of guest houses around and each one is filled with flowers. The track also has number of waterfalls. We captured all these moments during the journey. The route also required us to cross number of suspension bridges. It was shaking when number of people were passing by. And finally we entered inside the jungle. Passed number of suspension bridges, saw number of boulders, crossed them. As we started from Jagat, which is at 1400 square meters height, and our target was Dharapani, which was at 1900 square meters. Everyone was well equipped with hiking shoes, hiking sticks, their backpacks, water, daily snacks, and following each other. During the track, we encouraged each other and kept the positive energy flowing. The trail was very beautiful, the views were stunning, spectacular, and magnificent. I was also carrying a solar mobile charger and I hanged it on my back so that it can charge. There were a number of cottages in the trail and each one is overflowing with flowers. This forest was a little scary as wild animals like leopard, bear can hide behind these bamboos.
How are you feeling, Angie? How are you finding these tall mountains?
Everyone was hungry while trekking, and in Himalayas, staple food is dal bhat, so there is a slogan for it.
So this is our team. They're following each other.
Finally, we reached to Tal village where we had our lunch. As mentioned before, the trail is having number of cottages at every stop. After having our lunch, we started to Dharapani. See, this is the Ramkarila Vale. So we had our lunch there and started walking. And this is the way we came one by one. This is our team, and then took this bridge, suspension bridge, and crossed it. On the way, we saw the sweet family. And finally, we reached at our guest house.